Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My constant kitchen dilemma is having cutting boards that will really work with me and help me with all of the mess that I make when I'm cooking. This beautiful set of cutting boards from Earth's Dream is truly unique and has really helped me so much when I'm working in the kitchen. These cutting boards are made not from wood and not from plastic, but from composite material. And they're completely non-porous, so there's no lingering odors, and the juice from these cutting boards definitely stays in there, especially when you consider that it has a wonderful groove along the edge of even the small cutting board. Speaking of the small one, I love that they come in a set of 3. I line them up like they're my trusty assembly line workers, and I get into meal prep mode. They don't slip when I'm chopping, really making it feel hassle-free and like I can work quickly to get my dinner ready. You can also place them in the dishwasher, which makes cleanup even easier. But hand washing them works just as well, and they wash beautifully. These are knife friendly, they're super durable, and they always feel fresh and clean when I use them. I don't have to worry about food odors being in them or stains being on them. They really hold everything while I'm cooking and prepping with them, making everything so much easier. These cutting boards feel hardcore durable. They're actually really heavy even just to pick them up, but they're so nice to work with. I also love that if you have a wall stand, you can mount these on the wall, but they also store really easy into my cabinets as well, making cooking and prepping so much easier. And that's my point of view.